Hello guys, this is supposed to be summertime, but as you can hear, it's raining, and it's proper raining as well. It's bucketing down. So, I'm back on the community camp. Seems forever, but obviously it hasn't been that long. And there's a few guys here. I'm only staying the one night. I'm going back in the afternoon. About 1 o'clock I'll be leaving this camp because it's my wife's wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary. However, we're still going to try and have a bit of a laugh, a bit of a joke, and then have a little chill out. We're expecting wind tomorrow, but hopefully I'll put this new tarp down, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And yes, I've got a new tarp, would you believe it? Nothing wrong with the old one, I just fancy the change. I want to go for something smaller, but to be fair, it isn't that much smaller. It's a 3x5 by 3x5, and this is meant to be my summertime setup. So I'm sleeping on the ground today. I'm trying this out because I've got a plan coming up. As you know, if you know from my channel, every year I have like so many days away. Last year it was Suffolk. I'm going to try something different this year in August. So this is a trial run. I've probably got more gear than I would be taking actually, and I'll show you that in a minute. More gear than I would be taking on that camp. Or let's say not necessarily a camp, but you'll find out. But here we go. Let me show you around. More gear there than I actually need. Probably just be taking that bag when I go away, that's all. I'll be eating out most of the time as I did last time, and a few meals at night. But this will be the basic idea with less gear than this, obviously. So this is my new tarp, Coyote Brown DD. It comes with some guy lines, but to be fair, that's my own actually. Bad example. Some guy lines here. I haven't set them up how they set them up. I don't like setting it up their way anyway. I like doing my own thing, as you know. There's a bit of a sag there, but I don't think it'll cause that much trouble. The rain's dripping down. It's just something different. There is a bit of an area there, but look, the rain's dripping off that, so it's actually doing its job quite well. I'm wondering whether to pull that out or not. To be fair, I don't think I need to, because actually it's serving a purpose that's quite good. I can just knock it out as need to be. Knock it out. Well, all right, maybe the wrong choice of phrase there, but there we go. Decide to peg that down again anyway, and now I've got a nice drop. There's no sag now. Excellent, Andy, and I hope you're feeling new today. Let's go and enjoy the camp. I hasn't done a fire for a long time, have you? Well, how long has it been?
Oh, a year.
About a year? Look at that, look. Cracking. On a mission. That's another man on a mission.
I like missions.
You like missions? Missionary? Sorry, missions. I wish. Tell me wife that, yeah.
For his wedding anniversary. That's what she
My wedding anniversary.
Yeah. That's just wishful thinking.
Well, it is.
His missus would kill him.
What, if I want to missionary?
Yeah, if you said to her that, she'd kick your ass.
Why does she have to have an anniversary when I come out camping? What's that all about? Or why did I have to do it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Why did I have to do it anyway?
Yeah, there is that argument. That argument.
There's pagans set up. I'm going to get some dinner. I'm going to try and put a little table up. I've got a tiny table that I don't think I've ever showed you actually. I always struggle to do it, to be fair. And it seems to be a challenge all the time. Don't know why, I just always struggle with it. But I'll show you anyway. So I don't know if I've ever showed you this table. But yeah, and I always find it a challenge to put up. And I've had it a while now. Well, I say a little while. I still can't, you know, get it right first time. Let's have a look then. That's the kit. And it looks easy, doesn't it? It looks basic bake forward, but it ain't, because sometimes I'll mess up and get it the wrong way. And I always have to figure out which bloody way it goes. You know, it becomes an absolute nightmare. But it's a good table when it's actually up. So the legs somehow they clip in. And I never remember, I'm sure it's that way. Like that. Again, look, messing about. I'm still not getting it right. I'll be back in about 20 hours, alright? Is that okay with you? Jesus. Let's get it on the other ground over here. It's probably going to be better. Let's get a light on the subject. I mean, it's really good. Like I say, it can be a nightmare. And I think I put that the wrong way round. In fact, I know I have. Oh, for God's sake. I did this last time. Took for bloody ages. I'm pretty sure I'm not far off there. Yeah, just like that, look. See that? Yeah. Okay. And again. This would be the thick, believe it or not, that's the quickest time I have ever set that up. And you see, it was still a nightmare. But to be fair, when it's up, it's a really good little table. We've got some chicken slices, and I'll just have a little bit go with them, right? So, and a pepper steak Cornish nasty. Yeah, it'd be good. And we got my beers for later, because we've got the good old beer tree. Not time for the beer tree yet, but it will come. All bracken, then bracken. Oh, everywhere. This time of year, bracken everywhere. Yeah, quite impressed with this tarp actually. Glad I got it now. Yeah. Right. So, Marjorie, 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 and a hazy. Actually, yes, it is a hazy. There we go. Andy. We got enough wood. Don't. Let's get some more wood.
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah, you can get some. Oh, you did earlier on.
It's your turn. That's what we've got around the fire at the minute.
I certainly got some there. There we go, eh? How are we doing, guys? Well, just been sat around the fire. It was pretty cool. And I gave the Marjorie, I suppose. Marjorie. I gave it to Craig, so he had that. And perhaps pagan to you. And I decided to have the hazy, because you know what I'm like about my hazy. And one of the guys decided he was making a stir fry. So, he asked if I wanted a bit. Even though I'd something at the time, I said, I'm not going to say no. So we had a lovely chicken stir fry. It was absolutely beautiful. And I had a second helping of that. So, I'm going to chill out a little bit. And then, you know what's coming. Beer tree time. Yes. Beer tree. You know it. It's going to be the beer tree. Always. Yes. Andy. Yes, you know what time it is. Beer tree time. Beer tree. Yep. Welcome to the beer tree. So, today, the beers are from Chile. Chile. Bit chilly round here, actually. It's not chilly round here. It's quite warm now. But Chile beers from Chile. So, what we got here? You know what? I can't even pronounce these things. Well, I'll let you have a look at that. Yep. Right. You see it? There we go. So, I can't even say that. Maybe because I don't know Chilean. Is Chilean the thing? I don't know. Anyway, it is. Ooh, I think I'll give that one a bit later. That's a 6%. I think that one's a bit later on. Pesco sour. Bad News Beer Company. The Bad News Beer Company. Bad news. Yeah. Bad news. So that's bad news, apparently. So, that's only a 4.1. It's a bit of a baby. So, I've got a feeling it is an Indian Pale Ale. Yep, I quite like the can. Can looks quite interesting. Yep, so, is it a sipper or is it a slurper? Let's give it a go. Boy, that's sour. It's a sipper. It is a sipper. What would I describe it taste like? It's got like a lemony taste. Like a lemony sherbet taste. Quite nice though, but a bit weird. There we go. Ready for the rest. You know it, beer tree. And welcome to the beer tree. Yes, Andy. Yeah. You know it. This has been a new Camping Man production. So I'm just going to have a sit and chill. And then I want to get back to it. I'm quite liking this tarp. It's just different. It's not what I'm used to. I quite like the coyote brown. I know a lot of people on the camp have got the coyote brown, and I just fancied something that was different to my one I've got already. That one's still good. So I could have brought the hammock today, but to be honest, I still need to do repairs on it. There's a little bit of area of the hammock that's got a bit of a rip, so I'm going to get a repair kit for that eventually. It's not warranted, it's summer. Yes, it's raining and that nature, but I just wanted to be on the floor really, to be fair. So there we go, and that's what we are. Right, catch you in a minute. Feeding the fire. You know, well, I'm not kidding. Don't know why we're feeding the fire, because it's absolutely blooming roasting. I've got to be honest, the night's just changed. In fact, it's got warmer, hasn't it?
It's not too bad.
And I'm not just saying that, it seems to have got really mild, which is good. And it's not just the fire, I don't think. Just been sat round the fire, having some peanuts, having a laugh, having a joke. Yeah, it's been really cool. I'm going to catch you all in the morning, and see you then.
Morning, everybody. Yeah, sleep was alright. I feel a bit tired, but not too bad. I woke up about 6, and then I went back to sleep. It's all past 8 now. I'll get up in a bit. So I just had the sun bleeding through earlier on. It's gone a little bit duller now, but you could see the sun. There, you can see that sun coming through. More of the summer morning I'd like to see than the rain that we had yesterday, but the wind's supposed to be picking up today, but I'll somehow try and get myself out of bed. Get out of your lazy bed. Do 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 do. Get out of your lazy bed. Come to the mess of doom. Look at that for a mess. Yeah. Just couldn't be bothered. Chuck everything away onto a side. Not away, but you know what I mean. Chuck everything aside. So tell you the two sides this morning. Water all on this side, and all the stuff from the trees was dropping down. Now the difference on this tarp and the other one is you can actually see, I mean I can't on the other one because it's the camo, you can actually see all the, on these ones you can see all the leaves and all everything like that. Look at that mozzie there. Go away, go away. Now, it is a little bit wet this side, but it doesn't seem as wet. I mean, if you're inside, you can see all the rain droplets this side. You can to an extent that, but down there at the bottom, it's more or less dry. We've got some kit set up for some Kelly kettles in a bit, so we're going to do a bit of a demonstration of that. I've never done one before. I know lots of people have got them, but I've never tried it, so that'll be new for me as well.
Lots of where were they invented, who came up with the idea, lift it up and clear of the fire.
Hope you can hear the thunder now. So I'm leaving just nick of time, but to be honest, it's pretty cool being out in thunder anyway. So Craig's there. You're looking forward to the thunder?
Oh, I do love a good thunderstorm.
So with that, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, do all that lot. Catch you again, Andy.